Ask ko lang po if need ko po i-continue insulin ko ngayon naka-low carb na po. Hindi po tayo tumitigil ma'am basta-basta ng insulin. So first of all, when you're doing low carb kapatid, obviously kapag naka-insulin ka, chine-check mo lagi yung iyong sugar, right? Yung iyong blood sugar. May adjustment po yan. You work with your doctor, no? As you are seeing na bumababa yung iyong sugar, syempre ibababaan mo kapatid ng paunti-unti yung iyong insulin na binibigay mo sa sarili mo, right? There are two kinds of insulin. Meron tayong yung long-acting, tapos meron yung boluses natin na insulin. May adjustment pong kailangang maganap dyan, kapatid. And once you reach yung inyong target, so again, work with your doctor regarding this, then pwede na po siyang tanggalin. Pero kailangan po talaga consistently na mababa na po. Siyempre, obviously po, kayo din po ay consistent sa lifestyle. Kasi mahirap din po na expect ninyo na, okay, tatanggalin ko na lang yung insulin ko and then babalik tayo sa dati nating way ng pagkain. That's dangerous also. So, kapatid, I suggest that you work with your doctor regarding weaning off yung iyong insulin. Kasi hindi po yan basta-basta tinatanggal. The same goes with other medications. Medication for high blood pressure, for example, tatanggalin mo ba agad-agad? Kapatid, hindi. Involve your healthcare professionals. The Mediterranean, yes, papayag sila kasi alam na nila yan. But the low carb, marami sa kanila ang tumututol. Even though sila ay hindi po supportive sa low carb. Sabihin nyo na lang po na, Doc, may ginagawa kasi akong lifestyle change. Meron akong ginagawang lifestyle intervention. Tulungan nyo po ako, Doc, kasi gusto ko pong mawala itong aking gamot. And of course, you have to prove to your doctor na talagang dapat na talagang bawasan. How do you prove that? Objective measures. Again, laboratory, yung inyong mga blood pressure readings, yung inyong mga sugar readings. When the doctor sees na, oo nga, in range na siya, na maintain na siya, then your doctor can work with you on weaning you off, yung dahan-dahan. Now, don't be kampante or kontento na lamang na yes, gumaling ka na once, healed ka na ba forever? No, of course not. Kaya nga po ang tawag dito ay lifestyle. Sabi ko nga, ibalik natin yung talagang design ng Lord. Hindi pwede nagagaling ka for now tapos i-abandon mo na ulit yung magandang pagbabagong naganap tapos may expect mo na ma-maintain mo yan. Hindi po ganun, mga kapatid. It is a lifestyle. You actually change the way that you eat. So again, wag basta-basta magtatanggal ng mga gamot. Kailangan ng monitoring. Every 3 months monitoring. Yung mga may, especially diabetes, of course, kidney disease, fatty liver, mga high blood pressure. Lagi nating minomonitor yan. And then, the time will show us if they're able to maintain. The key, kapatid, is sustainability. That's why it's really important to understand the foundation. Kasi kung hindi mo naiintindihan, para lang siyang fad. It's another diet for you, right? It is not a diet, it's a lifestyle.